Parlok BAIEIT kum Jingiaseng Samla Balang Presbyterian Nongthymmai ni KHUBLEI KYRTENG TRAI bat NONGPYNIM JONGNGI JISU Hakan ni kapor ni pediang sobha syakani ke program KABA KYRPANG KABA ngikum Jingiaseng Samla ni walam hakan ni kapor lembaga YouTube channel JONG Balang kani kesngi kalong kesngi KABA KYRPANG hakaba NGNGKONG yo Thomas Jones ubay na MISSIONARY Umbalawan poi syakani ke BAIEIT JONGNGI ni SHIM yakani ke lan ban KNMAW BUROM yo Thomas Jones ubalong ukpa JONG THOH dak puli ke ketien KHASI hakani kesngi ke TARIK JYLLIEW kedai kesngi bolawan IOHKJAT NGNGNGKONG hak BAIEIT JONGNGI uni RIEWKHRAW ulano SYNNIANG SHIBUN yaki kam hak THOH katar kabalong ka JINGKYRKHU yangi bat ngi BUROM ya kum ukpa ki alfabet KHASI de kumbang tip baro haus nam arajar khat pra ka sarkar megalya kala SHIM ya karai balong ka wei na kisngi ki bakerpang jongka kum ka Thomas Jones de tu kum ka Jingiaseng Samla ni walam ya ka sawangka lani ka drama syapang ka jingim Thomas Jones ka bangi lapen kre syapi lemba kani ka por ni JYLLIEW pat nginget kalong ka JINGKYRKHU haba pipet ya kani ka drama syapang ka jingim jong kindiat syapang kani ka program kani ka day ka jingile kai drama ka bangi kum ka Jingiaseng Samla lapet hakis nem balalet kani ka sawangka lani ka drama ka day ka bangi la KYRTENG ka Jnit Sohramjan ka day ka jingpin syapang ka jingwan Thomas Jones ki jing syakri jong bat kumno ula penyo hangi ka jat benrio yang kita ke Jnit Sohramjan ki bangi tip kum ki THOH dak pule ni ki alfabet KHASI kumta ki perlok BAIEIT inget bat ikermen ba penyo ka JINGKYRKHU lemba kani ke program bat ya kani ke program ngin peni haki saw episode kapan sedang daduk mentah kesngi TARIK JYLLIEW bat kan kut haduk kani kesngi pelai TARIK JYLLIEW mentah ketayo na KHUBLEI ya ki nong ya SHIM benta baro bat kumju ya baro ki balapen kre ya kani ke program KHUBLEI KYRKHU ya pi baro nang mentah ke BUROM KHUBLEI amen
Happy birthday bro away kita THOH dak puli kita kita remha kelas kami bukis pastem ke biswa abris himre hagani ke jat brio jong ke brio nyotra nyosku dei tak hado ke pastem ke bakat kendai ke jile pla KHUBLEI ulan jit ke benda ke jemput ya ke birthday JISU ukun jauh ulan jit ke Jnit Sohramjan Balang ke Jingiaseng ke jat brio jongi kenang minyo itu bat yotin ye ke jingi ke JISU jogu lemba JISU ulah jir ke Mary bukan pun yo kanu JISU KHUBLEI ulah jir ke gospel bukan long ke pun ye ke Jnit Sohramjan ban ai ke jat brio jongi ulah jir yo Joseph balong kepa jo JISU ulah jir yo Thomas Jones pun balong kepa jo ke Jnit Sohramjan gospel KHUBLEI turun ke benta juga jat brio jongi ulah belum haka ban pun haka kepok juga iki Jnit Sohramjan lani kita THOH dak puli kum belum ke kha ke pun kamu ke besok ke gospel kum ke TRAI juga Jnit Sohramjan kelade biai ba kelenti ke kelenti besokro kelenti jong syak matar ya kami ke Jingiaseng juga ini ke Jingiaseng Thomas Jones nado balapan sengo hagado nujo mau day ben poye ke gospel sikini lo BAIEIT jongi kenang makan yo kan kaya kata ke KHUBLEI lapin pun haka berkini kelas dang hakasnya khatra live kedai
I've been searching for you for days together now. I've been looking for your face. And now what you really want me to do. I've searched for you for a very long time, Lord. And now that I've found you, this is what you really want me to do. There's a fire inside my heart. There's a flame inside my heart. And I know I cannot escape your will. But I need to be sure, Lord. I need to be sure. Speak to me, Lord. Speak to me. I really need to be sure. Need to be sure. Free me from the struggle, Lord. Free me from the struggle. God, I think this is not from you. No, this cannot be from you. No, Lord, I cannot escape your will. I know I cannot escape your will, but I have to be sure, Lord. I really have to just speak to me, Lord. Speak to me, if this is your will. Yes, Lord. Yes. Now I'm sure. Now I'm sure, Lord. I am going to do your will. Your servant is here. Send me, Lord. Send me. India. India. I will write to the London Missionary Society. I will write to them. India, Lord. Your servant is here. Send me.
Gentlemen, we're done with all the discussion. And now, we're left with this one more, a letter from Thomas Jones. Well, he's a young seminary from Balang Calvinistic Methodist College. An applicant wants to be a missionary, and even wonders of wonders, even stating his place of posting India.
What? He will decide where he wants to go. And what are we doing here?
Gentlemen, silence. Don't you feel that you're given a chance to face the board of directors?
Another who wants to be a missionary? Well, I think we should give him a chance. Call him. We're not in a week or so, because I am busy.
Well, we still have time to talk about this. We'll call him after 1 2.
Well then, if you all agree to call this person for an interview, then we will meet again. Gentlemen, may I introduce Mr. Jones? Gentlemen, I give you Mr. Jones, the candidate whom we have deliberated in our last meeting. You may have a seat, Mr. Jones.
Thank you, sir.
Gentlemen, here is your candidate.
Mr. Chairman, so this is Jones, Thomas Jones.
Thomas, have you consulted Dr. Conquest for medical test?
Yes, sir, I have. And here are my medical reports.
Well, member of the board, here are the medical report of Mr. Jones.
Mr. Chairman, in view of the evidence supplied by a dear candidate regarding his health and attested by own Dr. Conquest, it's clearly stated that India is not the place for him.
Well, Mr. Chairman, if that's the case, I think we should send him to West Indies.
West Indies? What do you say?
Mr. Chairman, instead of West Indies, why not send him to South Africa?
In your correspondence, you wish to become a missionary? Is that so, John?
Yes, sir, that is true.
Thomas, Why India, of all the countries in the world?
Sir,
Jones, in the judgment of Society Medical Officer, India does not fit into the scheme of thinking, but South Africa is more favorable for your health to cope with.
Mr. Chairman, wasn't Mr. JYLLIEW, correct me if I'm wrong, but desired to be posted as a missionary in India, but we rejected him outright?
Yes, I remember. We sent him to Malcolm's death.
Mr. Chairman, for settling about the report, and if Mr. Jones agreed, I think inferior would be his best bet. What do you say, Mr. Jones?
well, sir, in my defense,
Jones, you have a very limited option. I support Kafiria is the place where we want you to work for God glory and extension of this mighty kingdom. Don't you want to be God's instrument for the people of Kafiria?
Mind you, young man, you are not the first applicant in the board of the London Mission Society, and also not the last, but there are countless waiting on the line.
yes, and you don't have a choice, Mr. Jones.
Well, sir, if that is the case, I humbly accept it.
Well, that's our thought, Mr. Jones. Kafiria is suitable.
Kafiria? Kafiria? I agree to Kafiria. But my heart has always said India. My heart has always said India. But I agreed to Kafiria. God wants me to go across the seas to India. But I agreed to Kafiria. No, Lord. No. I will not change my will. I will not disobey you. India is the place I will go. Not Kafiria. Never. I will write one more time to the society. I will write one more time to the society. God wants me to go to India, and India is where I will go. Not Kafiria. I will write. Yes, I will write.
Mr. Thomas, as a board, we have deliberately discussed about your candidature. As in the last meeting, you've agreed to accept our offer to go to Kafiria. And again, your letter dated 25th November, you expressly regret for the consent you give us.
What, Mr. Chairman? I thought we were done with this matter.
Gentlemen, Mr. Jones requested us to consider him as a candidate for India. But why, Mr. Jones?
Gentlemen, I would request for the honor of the board to kindly reconsider my placement. India is the place where my heart has been longing for, and I believe God wants me to go to India.
But Mr. Chairman, in view of the evidence supplied by him regarding his health, a medical advisor, Dr. Conquest, has clearly stated that India is not the place for him.
Yes, before we talk about this, there's no point to bring back this issue.
Sir, I have consulted Dr. Sherp of Welsh School, Dr. Addison of Guy's Hospital, Dr. Carson, a leading physician from Liverpool. All the three are decidedly of the opinion that I am fit and healthy for life in India. Acting upon their advice, I believe some mistake has been made.
Mistake? How dare you, Mr. Jones? That is a direct insult to our medical advisor.
Yes, you are an applicant. I do not see that you have the right to make a board.
Yes, you are a candidate, and it's up to us to decide, and not you.
Gentlemen, I wouldn't be asking of this if I didn't truly believe that India is the place God wants me to go. God has presented me with a task which I have reduced not to discount. And I humbly place before the board at this moment in time that unless my application for India be considered, I will not guarantee myself, I will not place myself for any other place in this world.
Mr. Thomas, the board has come to the conclusion. With regard to your decision, the board has termed it as equivalent to declining the service of the society. Therefore, we resolve that the connection with the society be considered as over.
Over. That is over. That is over, Lord.
No, Thomas. Do not say it's over. Yes, I have read the note, and I am very upset with the treatment given to you by the London Missionary Society.
But I have been sent away and can't away without any consideration at all.
Yes, I know, Thomas. Our Methodist brother has always been treated this way, and you are not the only one who have been rejected outright. But Thomas, this time we will do something. And in fact, I have sent a note you gave me to Richard Williams, and stating your case, he has also written a letter to Thomas Hughes, and I know they will sort it out. Come, Thomas.
KHRIST hindi ke gospel, shakini ki long KHASI, kam shimlong ka baso. Ki JINGKYRKHU, ki JIRBET JIRWAT, pat ki sok kedot ki long ki babut. Mano ben mudur, tang masus dang KHRIST hindi jo ke gospel. Kladei ben kindu ki jing pat ki ding ben kiam. Ki Jnit Sohramjan, ki ba ke gospel ke pun, ha kata ke por ki kesan, ha ke por ke gospel.
Well, gentlemen,
This is a very special meeting, and it has come to our notice that the London Missionary Society has rejected the application set forth by our own Reverend Thomas Jones. And as stated by the board of directors, Jones was ready to go to India.
Gentlemen, as the chairman has stated, I would like to report the same, that I am discharged by the directors of the London Missionary Society without any ceremony at all. In spite of producing my medical reports, the board was of the opinion that I am not fit and healthy for life in India, and they were unable to cast aside the opinion of their own medical advisor, and even further stating that I am not fit for the requirement of training to work as a missionary.
This is not the first time that had happened to our Methodist brother. The board had declined the offer of a mistaken organ, or the examining committee had reported favorably upon him.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. With regards to the pool candidate, Mr. Josiah Hughes, the directors had judged him to be unsuitable for any post in India and sent him to Malkan instead.
Mr. Chairman, I don't understand. What could be the reason for such denied time and time again?
Well, gentlemen, the official reasons given by the London Missionary Society for Reverend Thomas Jones is due to his ill health, and the other is that he is well equipped to go to a difficult and complicated place like India.
This is totally unacceptable. They think they are superior and academically better than us. Who do they think they are?
Are you trying to undermine the credibility of the London Mission Society? And perhaps, with this kind of display, I suggest you should be heading this mission.
Gentlemen, we are just pointing out the facts that this will keep on happening, and we cannot just sit quiet and accept whatever they say. I propose that we form our mission society.
Yes, I second the proposal, as I believe that we are all equipped and capable enough to set our own missionary anywhere in the world.
Gentlemen, I felt a deep concern about this issue. Let's agree a step should be taken, hastily, under impulse of indignant and resentful feelings.
Gentlemen, it is not wise enough to jump to conclusions, but rather we should think and consider the such circumstances, and not let us think about this new venture.
Gentlemen, there's a high time for us to stand on our own feet and show them that we are part of them, so that they won't look down on us. What do you say?
Yes, I agree. Well, gentlemen, if we all agree, we should pass a resolution and send it to an association to be held at Land Fair, Tyrion, Montgomery, on 28th of April.
Yes, I agree.
They now be able to the town like a JONG Mission Society, but in the Hudson more, you can Jnit but the London Missionary Society. Kini Jingiaseng Samla Balang Thomas Jones, kalau tinggi ia kebalang hari ways, but kalau tinggi pok ia kemensi missionary haki. Dah hubungai ia lo KHRIST sahaja, dan Dormar Association JONG Balang, la sing mat belong ia ke Foreign Missionary Society. Thomas Jones telah kelalong missionary Lingkong JONG Society, but belong missionary Shari India. Dr. Wilson will argue but part SHIBUN but Jacob Tomlin but part Shari KASI ha India. Hakajinga lang bani berkat JONG Welsh Calvinistic Foreign Missionary Society kila SHIM ban Jnit KHRIST ko kalingka kalau ka JINGKYRKHU sa SHIM the gospel kabla pun haka ikidak THOH dak puli berpenyo berwan KHASI KYRPANG KASI kilian inyo bagi kejatsi JONG JINGKYRKHU ya ke gospel bahkan yo pat be jikshai ya ke limpia JONGA ben boy ya ke Jnit Sohramjan shakini lo JONG JYLLIEW Hakasaw 3 November KHRIST sahaja la penlo ya ke Jingiaseng KHUBLEI KYRPANG.
Hungry birds are singing.
people gather and support God-revered servant, Reverend Thomas Jones. Reverend Thomas Jones and Mrs. Jones, if you accept the call which God has called you. And I know, just as God has mightily used His servant in the past, in spreading the gospel, here, today, we got to witness it once again. Reverend Thomas Jones, we are sending you with all love, blessing, and prayer. And may God be with you.
Well, let me begin by saying that I have the utmost respect for this family here. Reverend Thomas, you have indeed proven to be faithful in your calling. And I am indeed honored to be here to witness this historical moment as you set to embark on this perilous journey to teach the gospel of Christ. My sincerest hope and prayer is that may the Lord God grant you the strength and the courage to overcome whatever is to come. And Mrs. Jones, may you exhibit the kind of grace and humility that is often mentioned with hallowed reverence in our holy scriptures. My firmest belief is that your faith and your bond with God and with each other will grow as this mission progresses. To my fellow Christian brothers and sisters who are in attendance, let us fervently remember this family in our daily prayer, that the Lord God may bless them, that He may keep them, that He may make His face to shine upon them. It has been quite an honor. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Thomas. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Almost hear his wife say, I am not a missionary. What is there for me to do? But I say, go you, Mrs. Jones, teach by example. Teach of being every assistance to your husband. I truly believe that you have a bit of a missionary spirit in you. Otherwise, you will not have married such a man who will leave his country and friends. Go you, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, I wish you Godspeed.
The field is wide open for harvest. We are all praying for the two of you. God is your strength, and He knows our humble beginnings. And I believe God will work wonders with your endeavor. He will never leave you, nor forsake you. Therefore, Reverend Jones and Mrs. Jones, be ye not afraid, but march towards the call.
View of the land of promise from Mount Nebo, and large shall the bounds of thy kingdom. And gather all them that are tired, reveal me tired and fed and married. To Zion, oh hasten the day, when solemn fed city from
demonstrated his kindness by giving me 50 pounds of his legitimate perquisites. That was a providential means for this voyage to be possible. I am indeed overwhelmed to find all of you sitting over here, and I thank you for your prayers and your support. I would call upon each and every one of you at this moment in time to spare a thought for my loving wife Anne. For this journey is much more burdensome for her than it is for me. That she has agreed to come with me across the seas to a land unknown is in itself a huge inspiration for me. Thank you, Anne. I would wish to live long enough to see many things happening. Building chapels, tilling the land. But whatever may be the outcome, I implore upon each and every one of you to be very fervent in prayer, that I should be able to live long enough to learn the language and be able to preach Christ to the people.
buat lagi and idan hanjung long amen. Pen ban ihapan ya gelenti ke baer ke basyitong nasma duria. Kumba ikelong iksan ke kebo jong kami. Kumta ki Jnit Sohramjan ki iksan ke kebo jong gospel. Yes, baby. Your mommy loves you too.